Hey guys, this is the Anthony's and welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you facts of the BROOD X cicadas, and these BROOD X cicadas only come out every 17 years. And sorry about the last couple of videos I've been doing. I've not been doing a introduction about what the videos have been about. But yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. I put together a video of facts of these BROOD X cicadas, and I hope you enjoy, guys. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, this is the Anthony's and welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. What you see I took these, but what you see is a BROOD X cicada in this area of Pennsylvania. They have the BROOD X cicadas, and the BROOD X cicadas only come out every 17 years. And the BROOD X cicadas, there's a few animals that will eat them, like dogs, cats, fish. There's even chickadees and most types of birds and some lizards. And cool fact, female cicadas can lay up to 600 eggs, which is ridiculous, and that's just for one female cicada. Final fact of the cicada, but after the BROOD X cicada is underground for 17 years, it will crawl up the nearest tree and get out of its shell, and it will be able to fly and find a mate, and then the female will have babies, and then after it has its babies, they either die or they get eaten, and then after a while, the babies will fall into the ground and repeat the cycle that its mother had, if that makes any sense. Now this video you see right here and all the photos you saw in this video, I took all the photos of these cicadas and I also shot all the video of the cicadas. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was fun. And yeah, peace out.